Michael Thompson, he's the local contractor for Rob Atkin. He's running some maize today. What's the variety, Michael? Do you know the variety?
No.
Okay. Do you know seed rate?
Have a look if you want.
Yeah, never not that bothered. Seed rate? 111,000. And is any starter fertiliser going in? No starter fertiliser.
No.
Okay.
It's just straight drilling today.
Yeah. You got a new tractor this year?
New tractor, fully fledged New Holland.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What horsepower's that?
180.
180, yeah. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So how long will it take you to do this field? It's about 28 acres from memory.
Probably about 4 hours or the
Will you keep going tonight?
We'll see how it feels.
Yeah.
I haven't had my nap yet today, so I'll have to just see how that goes.
Okay, that'll do then.